Here we've got Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to change email signature on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then locate and open Mail, and now scroll down to the very bottom of the list. And here you will notice Signature, where you can customize it, so smoothly delete the current one and enter the one that you would like to have. You can also bold some of the text, just enroll the options and pick, for example, bold. You can also underline it, whatever you want, but I will bold it. Let me go back, and that's it. As you can see from now on, this is my new email signature. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.